Hello and welcome to the video tutorial of Salesforce Super Slider Lightning Component. This is a Lightning component that has been designed by Webkul to create a slideshow of the images and YouTube videos on any record page. You can use this Lightning component to create a slideshow of the images that you have in the notes and attachment section of your record page. You can also create a customized slideshow by inserting the URL of the external images as well. So if you click on the user guide section, it will redirect you to the Webkul blog where you can see the list of steps that you need to configure this component. So before we proceed with the installation, I will discuss some of the features, some of the some of the features which it has. Like it has a predefined custom object named as custom carousel that will allow you to create a collection of images and YouTube videos that has to be shown on the home page or any other record page. You can insert YouTube video and the external images as well. You can use it on your community page. We have also optimized it for the Salesforce One mobile app. Now the question arises, why should you install this Lightning component? So the answer is that once you install this component, you will be able to have an effective advertisement of your products. Creating a predefined custom carousel will enable you to have an effective advertisement of your every products right on your record page. Inserting the promotional videos and images of your product on your community page will make the branding and advertisement much more easier and effective. So now we will proceed with the installation steps. Just visit the App Exchange and select components from the drop down menu and type in there Super Slider and click on search. You can see how it will appear on your record page. You can see the frame of images. You can click on this to create a slideshow of your images. Now we'll proceed with the installation. Click on Get It Now. If you want it to install in your production org, click on the first option. Now it will show you the package details. You just need to agree to the terms and condition and click on confirm and install. Now you need to uh, enter the credentials of the Salesforce org where you want it to install. If you want it to install for all the users, select the second option and click on install. You can see the installation is uh, on. The installation is complete now. You can click on this done and it will take you to the page where you will see the list of installed packages. Now we'll proceed with the configuration. One thing that you need to take care before using this component at the lightning end, that you need to register the domain first. You can go through this article that will show you the steps of how you can register your domain in Salesforce. If you have already registered your domain, you can skip this step. Otherwise, you can proceed with these steps. Just type in my domain in the quick find search box. You will get an option to create a custom domain, and then you can click on check availability and proceed further with the domain registration. If you have already registered it, you can skip this step. One more thing you need to take care of is that the custom tabs related to this super slider component should be default on. You can verify it from the profile section of your Salesforce org. I will show you how to do it. In the quick find search box, just type in profiles, then click on profiles. Now you need to click on system admin. You need to look for the super slider component lightning. Now it should be default on. You can see this component here, super slider lightning. It should be default on. You just need to verify this. Since it is already default on, we can proceed further with the configuration. Now just switch to lightning version. So before we configure it for the home page, we need to create a custom carousel where we can have a collection of images and videos. Just click on this custom object, custom carousel. Let's create a new custom carousel here. I will give it a name, test. Click on save. This is a custom record which I have created, and I will keep a collection of images and YouTube videos here. You just need to click on this related section, and here you will get an option to create a new carousel item. Click on new, and here you can insert the URL of the external images which you want to insert. So I will just put an external image URL here. Suppose I pick up an image from Google, right click there and click on copy image address. You just need to click on this and insert this in the slider URL section. You need to make sure that it should be in this format. It should start from https:// and then click on save. This is the first item which we have created in the carousel item list. So now we will create another, we will insert another URL here. Let's pick another image. Just right click and copy image address. Paste the image here and click on save. You can see the two images have been created. One can also insert a YouTube video, but there is a certain format which you need to follow while inserting the link of the external YouTube video. Suppose we have a video, copy this link, paste it there, and in this part, the part that starts from watch till equal to symbol, you just need to replace this with embed and then type slash. Now click on save. We have three items created under this custom carousel record. Now I need to copy this record ID. This is the record ID of this custom carousel. Now in the home page section, we will now configure this component for the home page. We have three items in the custom carousel, and it should appear as a slideshow in the home page now. So just click on this gear icon, click on edit page. You will see the super slider component here. You can simply drag and drop here. Here you can see there are two fields that needs to be filled. In the parent account record, you can select this this is mandatory. You need to select this component and then enter the component ID which you copied it from here. Then you need to click on save. So this is the parent record. This is the record from where the images are being picked and displayed in this slider panel. And this is the record ID. This is the component ID. This is the component of this record. So we have pasted the component ID here and we have selected the parent record so that these images are displayed in this panel. Just click on save and then click on activation. It will ask you to set this page as a default home page. Keep this radio button selected and click on next. Now you need to click on activate. Now we have configured this component for home page. You can get back to the home page to see how it appears on your home page. You can see it appearing right here. You can click on this. This has also got an option to configure it later. For example, you can also configure it later as per your requirement. You can select the parent object and then paste the record ID and then click on submit. Similarly, we will configure it for accounts page as well. Just click on accounts, open any record. Now, as we discussed in the features section of this component, it, it should pick images from notes and attachment. For example, I have 4 images in the notes and attachments section. So it should pick the images from this section and display it right in the slider panel. So I will just click on gear icon, then click on edit page. Simply drag and drop this component to the location where you want. You can see it appearing right here. You can select the parent record. Parent record is already selected since it's a account record page. So this is the parent record account, and it is already picking up those images which I have in the notes and attachment section. Just click on save and then click on activation. Now get back to the account page to see how it appears on your record page. You can see it appearing here. These are the 4 images which I had in the notes and attachment section. They are being displayed right here. Similarly, you can put this slideshow on any other record page like contacts, leads, etc. And now I will show you how to configure it for the community page. Go on setup and in the quick find search box type in there communities and then click on all communities. You need to click on builder. Click here on the component section. You will see a list of custom components here. You just need to drag and drop the super slider section here. You can see it appearing right here. You just need to select the parent record as we did in the home page, and you need to paste the record ID here. You can see those images appearing right here. Now just click on publish. Once these changes are live, you will receive an email confirmation for the same. can preview it, how it will appear. You can see the list of items which we created in the custom carousel. These are the 3 items which we created, and they are being displayed right on your community page. So that's how it goes. As we discussed in the features, it has been optimized for Salesforce One mobile app as well. So you can configure it for your mobile app. Type in there Salesforce One navigation. You can select Salesforce One navigation option, and here you will get the list of available menu items that can be added to the navigation section of your iPad or mobile. This is the super slider lightning component. You just need to add it there, and you can move it right at the top. Now click on save. So this is how it will appear on your iPad or mobile phone. You can see the tab Super Slider Lightning. Once you click on this tab, it will show you the slideshow of the images which you have put in your custom carousel. So that's all we have in the configuration part of this component. If you still have any questions, you can click on this support section and create a ticket. We will get back to you right after your email. If you have still any other question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you with an answer. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.